Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here, and today I'm back with another video on dominoes, and this is a tutorial video on how to build a domino crossover. Now, I might do more of these in the future because there are a ton of crossovers that I've seen on YouTube and that I've learned. I might include some in my videos on big domino fall downs. I might include multiple of them in one tutorial video. So we'll do that in the future. And I know it's been a while since I've done a big domino fall down because they're hard to build. I don't have 100% access to a pool table since my mom uses it, and sometimes her friends come over and they use it. So it's not easy to build a giant build in that amount of time. So I'll try to find time to build one because I know you guys like those videos. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so first things first, we want to start your domino line, which is pretty useful for domino videos. Now we'll do like 6, 7 dominoes before we start the actual crossover. Or might just do 5, but we'll do 6. Now we want to place domino flat down like this. You want to place your other domino a little ahead this one. That way it creates a little gap between the first one and the second one. And it looks like this. Now this will cause the domino to push over and cause to hit this domino. Then we're gonna build a domino line, and then we're going to curve it to where it hits this. We're gonna try to aim for the middle of this domino. Try best. And once we do that, we'll you'll just see how that. Well, as I'm building this domino line, I'll tell you that I actually used this in one of my videos. It's one of my first domino videos, big domino call, 1,000 dominoes. Now, I did do this with a bunch of other tricks called 90-degree angle turn, so I might do that in the future. So you guys let me know. Okay, we're starting to curve, and our success for going straight to the middle is working. Okay, and I'm gonna keep on building. Okay, we're gonna build one more domino. Okay, now we're gonna place the domino right here. That way, when it pushes this domino to reach this, it tips over this domino and knocks over this. Now, this trick's good for turning sides very easily, and just to enhance your building. Now, we're gonna build a bit more, and then we're gonna knock it over. Okay, now it's complete. So, very easy domino trick to just enhance your building and, just spice things up a bit. Now to knock it down. 3, 2, 1. So we had a bit, so it messed up a bit, but we have a small space right now. I can't use cool tool at the moment. So if you had a bigger space, that wouldn't necessarily happen, but you get the point. Now, I hope you guys join this for short domino video. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.